software to convert MBOX files into PST format. And are you searching for a trusted solution online? Corbett Software MBOX to PST Converter, perfect tool to bulk convert all mail client MBOX files to PST format. Now let's check out the main features of the software. Bulk convert MBOX files to Outlook PST format. Ability to auto-detect email server address and port number. Convert selected MBOX files into PST format. Advanced search option with filters like date, to, from, email address, etc. Let's install and run the tool. Simple and user-friendly UI is a major feature of this standalone tool. Click on Open tab and choose drop-down option. Select Email Data Files. Now select MBOX files. Then choose File or choose Folder to browse MBOX files from your system. You can choose the desired MBOX file folder from your system, and after selecting the folder, click Select Folder to proceed. Click Inbox to load your emails. Now click the email to view the message. This way you can preview the email. The tool provides you with many useful tabs such as Content that lets you see the full body content of the email. Message Header helps you view the detailed routing information of the message. The Hex View lets you see hexadecimal digit of an email message. Raw Message Preview. As you can see, there is a search option that is called Quick Search. Now enter a keyword in the search field as shown in the video and press Enter button for search. And you will see the results highlighted in yellow color. It's time to introduce one of the most beneficial features of tool, Advanced Search. It finds information within the email. Go to Advanced Search. You can search in all fields like calendar and date. Now you pick the emails field. You want to search for information from such name, subject, to CC content and more. You can click here to close the Advanced Mode section. Now go to the Export tab. It gives you PST Converter option. Select the Export option and choose PST format. Go to Browse option and pick a location to save the output. Now let's understand the advanced functions of the tool one by one. The first is open folders after export is done. The next is skip grayed Outlook folder. Enable this option to leave grayed out folders from your files. To create empty folders, please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. Next one is delete old folders if you want to delete previously converted data from the destination folder. Next is include email header. We recommend you to disable this option. The last is create individual PSD file for each folder. Finally, go to the Save button and see the live process of MBOX files convert into PST format. Once the task completed, you get a successful message. Click on the Open Folder button. Now you can see the result. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.